what's going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Today is gonna be like a little special episode, man. It's gonna be kind of quick. It's Mother's Day, so we're gonna knock out some Tomahawk Steaks.
Tomahawk Steaks.
We're gonna knock out these Tomahawk Steaks, and we got some grilled vegetables going on. We smoked some chicken, and we got a smoked peach cobbler. So you know, we do it up for our moms and things. So catch back in with you in a minute, but we're gonna get these going. All right, seasoned up, seared up, and on the smoke. Catch you in a minute. All right, what's going on, y'all? We're back here. All right, so we're gonna get into these tomahawks. Now, as you can see, they look pretty nice, man. I'm not gonna do no trimming or anything to them because they look pretty clean. Get them on here. We're gonna season them up, all right? So as you can see, got our tomahawk here. Oh yeah. Well, come on, sous chef, help the brother out. Pop it. Just pour a little bit on there. Yep, that's enough. So I'm just gonna hit it with a little olive oil. Rub it in. Okay? Man, don't worry about it. We're going to get there. We got to do the whole thing, Skip. All right, so I'm going to start it off with this base layer of Killer Hogs AP seasoning. That's salt, pepper, garlic, you know. And then I'm going to hit it with a little garlic jalapeno, Heath, Riles. And this will take a good amount of rub because it's thick, okay? I'm gonna hit it with a little Heath Riles garlic butter. Pat that in. You want beef rub?
No beef rub.
I'm gonna hit it with a little Heath Riles beef rub. All right? So I'm just gonna flip it over on all sides, repeat the process, and I'll catch you back at the grill in a few minutes, all right? So for right now, I'm gonna pick it up.
Yeah, make it simple just so it don't fall off the bone, man.
All right, so we're back down here at the grill. We got the master build set. It's rolling at about 675, between 675 and 700. All right, you can see the tomahawk steaks. We've seasoned them up. They've sat down, they're sweating in. They've been sitting out for a minute, so now I'm about to get them on. All right. Get it on, put it on, press it down. All right. Now I'm gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna move it, try and get some good sear marks on there, and then I flip it over and do the same thing in a few minutes, okay? I'm not gonna bore you with all of that. We'll just come back to you and let you see a little later, all right? Catch you back in a second. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to this Mother's Day edition of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Just a quick little something that we did today. We didn't go all out on the, you know, like we normally do. But we got these tomahawks here, all right? I seared them and I brought it up, you know, slowly. After I seared it, I brought it up slowly to, I got mine to about 129, like between 128 and 129, and I pulled it. I've let it rest. It's done its thing. Now I'm gonna cut it up and we're gonna see what it is, okay? So, here we go. I'm just gonna slice it right here in the middle. Let's see what it is here. Look at that. It's perfect, just how I wanted it. See it? Nice and juicy. All of that, all right? I'm gonna cut me off a little piece and take me a taste test here. Start right here.
You gotta eat the pink meat.
Okay. See that? See how juicy that is? Okay. About to go in for a taste test.
It's hot.
Well, it's so delicious, man. That's good stuff right there. Now, I hate to do this to y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock this last piece out. Cause it's good. Now I have a list of all the stuff that I season these with. Get out there, get yourself a Tomahawk steak. Cook it how you like to cook it. I like mine about medium rare, maybe a little over medium rare, not too much more. I usually try and get it off at about 125, 127. So this is good. But I'll catch y'all back the next time. We'll have a whole episode for y'all coming up soon. Peace.